Hello guys, welcome back to Broadband. This is day 24. This is your host Blue. Mhm. Can you hear me? Okay, voice is coming fine, I guess. Okay, so first of all, last time the bias was bullish, and as you can see, price went up from here. It retraced a little and then went up, short upwards. Maybe there was some kind of news. And let's let's see what kind of news are we having today. Okay, so medium impact news. Today is medium impact news, so no worries. Okay. Okay. Now, so he can't go for it with physically, like he couldn't beat them with his technology and stuff and his not nukes. He isn't used nukes yet. I'm talking about the missiles, etc. And his arsenal, military arsenal. So now he's fucking up with them, trying to fuck them up with isolation and okay. So, okay, Iran always had sanctions. Fuck you, Trump. Nothing gonna stop them. China will not listen to you. Okay, so high and lows is marked. Price took this liquidity, just as we saw, and now the bias is a little unconfirmed. Okay, so now the bias is a little unconfirmed. We don't know if price will go below this line or just go from here. Maybe I think price will take some kind of liquidity again. Price will go here. This is a huge news scandal as it seems. What did yesterday happen? No, I don't have a yesterday one. Okay, let's just go to okay. The FOMC meeting happened 11 p.m. Oh, this is 11. No, this is 6 p.m. Oh, why does Brave glitches by? Okay, so yeah, okay. What was the reason for this? I can't seem to understand. Okay, maybe Trump is like mm, freaking around, but still, this was Yeah, this section didn't have any news. This was just New York kill zone. F FOMC meeting came here. Okay, so yeah, as of right now, price took this liquidity, the equal highs, the kind of price took them, and now price is showing a little bit downwards trend. Price should show a little downwards trend and then continue its bullish momentum overall. Okay, so hmm, this is risky. This setup is risky, I guess. Yeah, this no, if this breaks, we can't say for sure this is bearish because this is just too close. If price breaks this level, that is the daily low, then we can say the price is bearish. But as of right now, it's completely bullish, and maybe price will tap on this resistance which becomes support. This zone after taking liquidity, these zones, and then it will continue its trend. Let's go to 15-minute to refine these zones, etc. Let's check. Yeah, it's fine, I guess. The zone is fine. Okay, so liquidity, zone, tap in, and then pump. But you have to wait for some kind of setup. The this setup, if I place a setup like this, there's no guarantee it will hit. But after confirmation, this might go to SL direct. But if we have to wait for some kind of confirmation before entering in, yes, we shouldn't enter brainlessly. Okay. Yes, yes. This, but confirmation of I'm saying it again. Confirmation is necessary for the setup to for for you to be profitable. Of course, you shouldn't enter like uh, brainlessly. So after liquidity gets taken, this zone gets tapped, uh, some kind of confirmation, and then you can buy. Okay, without confirmation, please don't buy unless the setup forms. There's some kind of setup should form here. You shouldn't enter directly on the zone because price can just dump and take your SL. This zone is quite small, 148 to yeah, so 28 to $20, 200 pips. Well, well, it's large, but not like no, unimaginable for gold to hit. And gold moves so much daily. Okay, I think that's it for today. Let's see if DXY has moved out of its zone yet or not. Maybe it's gone down. Has it? Oh, it has. Oh my, it has gotten down. Okay. So that was the reason why gold pumped. But why did DXY dump? It has broken this zone. Maybe it is bearish now. Let's see if yeah, this is bearish stuff. This is bearish. Gold DXY is just retracing to go this zone which has become resistance at this point. It may go there and then go downwards. Yeah. Okay. Gold will go up as the news is in line with the bullish bias for gold. Trump is threatening Iran again, so that means more wars, stuff, etc. Which means gold acting as a safe haven and protecting against the fall of U.S. economy. Yeah, guys, I think I made myself very clear. So the liquidity breaks. This zone tap zones, a setup may form. Only then you may take your trade. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Tune into tomorrow. Bye.